top best survival multi-tool you must have. When you're out in the wild or facing unexpected situations, having a reliable multi-tool can make all the difference. These handy gadgets are designed to offer a wide range of functions, combining multiple tools into one compact device. Whether you're camping, hiking, hunting, or just need something to tackle everyday problems, the right multi-tool can be a lifesaver. Multi-tools can include everything from knives, screwdrivers, pliers, and bottle openers to more specialized tools like saw blades, wire cutters, and even safety hammers. They save you space in your bag, allowing you to carry one device that covers several needs. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best? Pohaku 13-in-1 Pocket Multi-Tool. If you're looking for a versatile, compact multi-tool that doesn't take up much space, but offers a wide array of functions, the Pohaku 13-in-1 Pocket Multi-Tool is an excellent choice. It combines 13 different tools in one sleek and portable design, making it ideal for everyday use as well as survival situations. Some of the key features include a knife blade, pliers, wire cutters, bottle opener, flathead screwdrivers, and a Phillips screwdriver, along with a file, a saw, and a mini pry bar. The build quality of the Pohaku multi-tool is tough and durable, crafted to withstand hard work. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and it fits easily in your pocket or bag without being bulky. Whether you're fixing something around the house, getting ready for an outdoor adventure, or even tackling small repairs, this tool has everything you need in one device. Leatherman Wave Plus. The Leatherman Wave Plus is an iconic multi-tool, and for good reason. Leatherman is known for producing high-quality, durable tools that last for years, and the Wave Plus is no exception. This multi-tool features 18 tools in one, which makes it a powerhouse for anyone who wants versatility. Among its features are pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, a can and bottle opener, and even a file. The Wave Plus also boasts an outside accessible blade, allowing for quick and easy use when you're on the move. One of the standout features of the Wave Plus is its locking mechanism for the tools, ensuring that each tool stays secure while in use, which adds a level of safety and confidence while working. Its stainless steel construction means it can handle tough tasks without breaking down, and its compact size makes it portable without compromising on strength. Real Avid Gun Tool Max. For gun enthusiasts and those who engage in shooting sports, the Real Avid Gun Tool Max is a must-have. This multi-tool is specifically designed for firearm maintenance and repair, featuring everything you might need for keeping your weapons in top condition. With 30 tools in one, it includes a pin punch, a choke tube wrench, a lube bottle opener, a cleaning rod, a scope adjustment tool, and even a scraper for removing carbon buildup from your gun. What makes the Real Avid Gun Tool Max stand out is its thoughtful design, tailored to the needs of firearm owners. Whether you're out in the field or at the range, this multi-tool gives you everything you need for gun maintenance, all packed into a convenient, easy-to-carry device. It's a great addition to any survival kit for those who rely on their firearms for protection or hunting, ensuring you can always keep your weapons in working order, no matter where you are. Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X. The Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X is one of the most reliable and well-rounded multi-tools available today. Known for its Swiss craftsmanship, Victorinox offers durability, precision, and a wide variety of functions with this model. With 27 functions, this multi-tool can tackle almost any task. The tools include pliers, wire cutters, a reamer, can openers, screwdrivers, a chisel, and even a corkscrew, making it an excellent tool for both survival situations and everyday tasks. What sets the SwissTool Spirit X apart is its ability to combine strength with versatility. It's built to handle tough jobs like cutting wire or tightening bolts, but it's also sleek and comfortable to hold. allowing you to perform delicate tasks with ease. The stainless steel construction ensures it will stand the test of time, making this an investment that will serve you for years to come. Rak Multitool Hammer. When you need a multi-tool that combines the power of a hammer with the versatility of various other tools, the Rak Multitool Hammer is an exceptional option. As the name suggests, this tool has a built-in hammer, making it great for tasks that require pounding, such as driving nails or breaking apart debris. In addition to the hammer, it also includes several other handy features like screwdrivers, pliers, wire cutters, and even a fish scaler. The Rak Multitool Hammer is designed to be sturdy, with an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip, even when using the hammer for extended periods. The compact design allows for easy portability, fitting easily into your backpack or emergency kit. Whether you're working on a construction project or need to fix something on your outdoor adventure, this tool offers the power of a hammer combined with the versatility of a multi-tool, making it indispensable for survival situations. Leatherman Surge. The Leatherman Surge is another excellent multi-tool from the renowned Leatherman brand. Known for its rugged design and high quality, the Surge offers 21 tools, including pliers, wire cutters, a knife blade, a saw, screwdrivers, file, can and bottle openers, and more. What makes the Surge stand out is its ability to tackle heavy-duty tasks. It's ideal for those who need a robust tool for more strenuous jobs like cutting through thick cables or prying open objects. Built with durable stainless steel, the Leatherman Surge can handle the toughest of conditions, making it an essential tool for survivalists, campers, and those who work in demanding environments. Its spring-action pliers are especially handy for precision work, while the accessible blades and tools make it easy to switch between tasks quickly. Whether you need to cut, fix, or adjust, the Surge is a go-to tool that ensures you have everything you need right at your fingertips. The Gerber Truss. If you're looking for a multi-tool that's reliable, durable, and efficient, the Gerber Truss should be on your radar. With 17 tools packed into one compact design, the truss is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile solution for everything from everyday repairs to outdoor survival. Its tools include pliers, wire cutters, a knife, scissors, a bottle opener, screwdrivers, and even a file, making it a great all-around tool for a variety of situations. The Gerber Truss is built to last, with a tough stainless steel construction that ensures long-term durability. Its one-handed opening mechanism makes it easy to access the tools you need, even if you're holding something with your other hand. This feature is especially useful when you're working in tight spaces or during emergency situations. Leatherman Free P4. The Leatherman Free P4 takes the multi-tool game to the next level with its innovative design. Featuring 21 tools, the Free P4 offers everything you need, including pliers, knives, scissors, wire cutters, screwdrivers, and a file. Its most unique feature is the magnetic locking system, which makes it incredibly easy to access tools with one hand. This feature allows for a smoother, quicker operation when you're in a hurry or need to use the tool with minimal effort. The Leatherman Free P4 is built with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring strength and durability, while its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Whether you're working on a DIY project, dealing with a survival situation, or simply need to carry a compact and reliable tool, the Free P4 is a great addition to your gear. Victorinox Swiss Tool X plus Ratchet. For anyone who needs a multi-tool that can handle tough mechanical tasks, the Victorinox Swiss Tool X plus Ratchet is an exceptional option. With 37 functions, this tool is designed for those who need to tackle bigger jobs, including tasks that require a ratchet mechanism. Whether you're tightening bolts, cutting through tough materials, or opening bottles, the SwissTool X Plus has the tools you need to get the job done. One of the standout features of the SwissTool X Plus Ratchet is its ratchet mechanism, which provides the precision and torque needed for more intricate tasks. The tool is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring that it is both strong and durable. Leatherman Super Tool 300. The Leatherman Super Tool 300 is a heavy-duty multi-tool designed for professionals and enthusiasts who need a tool that can take on demanding tasks. With 19 tools packed into one compact unit, it's ideal for construction workers, mechanics, and anyone who requires a high-performance multi-tool. The Super Tool 300 includes pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, and even a file, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, from cutting through tough materials to adjusting mechanical components. One of the key features of the Leatherman Super Tool 300 is its durability. The stainless steel construction ensures that it can withstand heavy use without losing its edge or strength. Its pliers are especially tough, capable of handling hard work like gripping, bending, and twisting. Whether you're in the field, on a construction site, or working on a vehicle, the Super Tool 300 is a reliable and versatile tool that can tackle almost any job. Real Avid Pistol Tool. For gun owners and shooting sports enthusiasts, the Real Avid Pistol Tool is a compact yet highly functional multi-tool specifically designed for pistol maintenance and repairs. With 13 tools packed into its small frame, it includes everything from a pin punch, cleaning tools, and a sight tool to a scraper and bottle opener. Its precise design makes it ideal for cleaning and maintaining your firearms while on the go, ensuring that you can keep your pistol in top working condition no matter where you are. What sets the Real Avid Pistol Tool apart is its gun-specific features, making it the perfect tool for firearm owners who need a portable and reliable solution for on-the-go maintenance. Whether you're at the range or out in the field, this tool offers convenience and precision when you need it most.